How to create the perfect gel, yes, I said it, gel ombre. So we're going to start off with a layer of the pink. These are really soft. It's like a soft sheer pink called Bloom from North Nail Systems. I will tag them below. Now, it was a little cold in my room as well, so I did have to play with that just a little bit with a gel liner brush, but it was really easy to push into the position that I wanted it in. So it's just one sheer thin coat of the pink. Then you're going to go in with a milky white. This is actually called milky white. Again, it's from North Nail Systems, and you're just going to put it on, say, the bottom third of the nail, and then you're going to blend it up. It's kind of like doing an acrylic, but this is obviously with build gel. So then you're going to use your liner brush again, and you're going to brush that up the nail towards the cuticle. Then let it settle for a minute before putting it into the light. Once you've done that, you're going to create your apex with another bead of the nude, and you're going to float that down the nail. If you'll notice, I'm using really delicate little light strokes, and then you're going to get like your liner brush, and again, just using the tip of the liner brush, you're just going to really gently feather that down. You'll see lines in a minute, but they do settle out and level out before it cures. Again, same here, same thing here. You're going to put the white at the tip, and you're going to blend it up. Once you've done all of that and you're happy with the way it looks, again, when you're using your liner brush here, just use your liner brush to get it how you want it, and then just leave it to sit for a second before it goes in. It's a really nice self-leveling gel. So you'll see there it's really smooth and it goes on beautifully. Now, if you needed more structure, you could add a layer of builder gel and refine it with a hand file. But as it's on a pop, I just went in with my top coat. I cured for one final time, and you're done. I hope that helps.